I used to always feel like I was in a dilemma when it comes to eating healthy. If you are also in the same boat, then let me help you fix that. Meal prepping is my secret weapon. Today I'm meal prepping Amritsari chicken for the entire week. Start with marinating the chicken. A little planning now means big flavor later. Fresh ingredients are key. I always chop everything in advance to save time. Next, saute the onions and tomatoes. This base adds so much depth to the dish. I had cooked the chicken separately after marinating it, so let's mix it in. This is where the magic happens. Finally, let the gravy simmer. The longer it cooks, the better it tastes. And there you have it. Healthy meals ready for the week. Save time, eat well, and take control of your week. Save this reel and try it out over the weekend. Comment below how it turns out. And don't forget to like and follow for more tips.